Hi, the PBO Act 2013 has finally been enacted into law. That means that the NGO Act is repealed and it is no longer an application. What is a PBO anyway? A PBO is a public benefits organization, and the Act demands that the objectives of a PBO must be in relation to the benefits of the public. So that means that the organization will be dealing with things to do with education, things to do with health, things to do with games, poverty elimination, HIV and AIDS, or any other disease, something that is of benefit to the public. So it must be non-profit in nature, just like the NGOs. The Act says that it will only take 60 days to register a PBO, but well, time will tell. And the requirements in the Act are just like the ones that were in the NGO, but it also gives a provision for the board to tell us what else will be needed for the registration of the PBO. So time will tell what the requirements are. But the basics remain, and that is that a PBO must have a constitution. And that constitution must tell us how the organization will run, who is in charge, what is the board of the organization, how do they get their source of funding, how are they doing their accounting. Now, can an international NGO or rather a PBO be registered? The answer is yes. Foreigners can register a PBO in Kenya, but there's a condition. They must have a Kenyan as a representative in Kenya. They must also have an address in Kenya where they can be served and where documents can be dropped and things like those. So there are some good benefits when it comes to registration of a PBO. Once you register and you have your certificate of registration, the Act provides that you will have some exemptions as far as tax is concerned. And that includes income tax, it includes stamp duty, it even includes exemption to pay court fees if you find yourself in court, and other exemptions. So there are some advantages that you will enjoy as a PBO. Now, unfortunately, I am yet to do one practically because the Act is just here with us. But I encourage you, if you're interested in starting something for the benefit of the public, for the benefit of the Kenyan people in Kenya, let this development not hold you down, because there are other options. As we wait for the regulations to be put in place, as we wait for the board to be constituted, you can consider registering a company limited by guarantee. And a company limited by guarantee has the same advantages of a PBO, and it is registered under the Companies Act 2015. So the requirements include the requirements for the registration of a company limited by guarantee are, I dare say, less bulky than an NGO or now the PBO. So it's even easier to register a CLG, a company limited by guarantee, and it's more straightforward as we wait for the PBO's house to be put in order. I am at your service. My name is Mary Mukoma. Thank you.